Good morning, students. In the first video, I discussed about the synopsis of relations and functions. In this video, I am going to take the solutions of the DPP problems what I shared yesterday. In that one, I chose some selective problems. This mode of video making we chose it because you have to see the question and you have to see the solution. So that is why we taken this mode of teaching. I hope it will helpful to you and you can enjoy the class also without any doubts. In that one, now I started with second question. In the second question, the domain of the function root of x square minus 5x plus 6 plus square root of 2x plus 8 minus x square. Here both two functions are there, both are under root and both are in the numerator. So in the numerator 0 is also defined, but under root value must have to be positive to get real values. So that is why first you take first expression x square minus 5x plus 6. It is greater than or equal to 0. Means expression is positive and x square coefficient is negative. So when it is having both are same signs, then the roots, the value of x does not lies in between the roots. So that is why the value of x, so that that first function is definable. The values of x is greater than 3 and less than 2. Therefore, root of x square minus 5x plus 6 is definable under the values minus infinity to 2, 3 to infinity. Observe here 2 closed bracket, 3 is also closed bracket because greater than or equal to is equal to 0 is there. Whereas in the second expression, x square coefficient is negative, expression is positive, means opposite signs. When both are opposite signs, the value of x is within the roots. So therefore, for the second function, second expression, the domain of that one is minus 2 comma 4. So the function total itself is definable when both are definable. So both means intersection. Intersection means and. So the intersection points between these two I showed here in the diagram. Observe this diagram. Here 3 to infinity and 2 to minus 2. So minus 2 to 2, 2 to and 3 to 4. These are the intersection points of these two functions. For that the function is definable. Therefore the domain of this function is closed bracket minus 2 comma 2 union 3 comma 4. Closed brackets, open brackets are very important. Definitely there will be a question from domain in CET as well as in JEE. Let us go for the next question. If there is a function is given, it is related to composite function, application of composite function. G circle f of x equal g of f of x. In the same way, see here the function is given, there is a relation between functions are given, 3 f of x minus f of 1 by x log x power 4 is given. So what I am doing here is, in place of x, I am replacing 1 by x. You will get new expression like this. So in that one, what we did, in place of x, I replaced 1 by x. If you simplify, see here 3 into 1 by f of x is there. In 1 also, in 1, here 3 is not there. Here 3 is not there. So that's why I multiplied 1 with 3. 3 into 1 will give like this expression. So that means why we multiplied with 3 only. Then if you add these two, we can cancel also. So I cancelled these two. Now if you add these two, 9 f of x minus f of x, 8 f of x, which is equal to the power will become product here, 4 will become product here, Next here, when you multiply with 3, it will become 12. Finally, 8 f of x is equal to 12 minus 4, 8 log x. F of x is equal to log x. So f of e power x is equal to log of e power minus x. Here we have the property log a to the base a is equal to 1. Here base is not given, means the base of log is what? E. So log e to the base e, the power will become product. So we'll get minus x. So therefore finally the answer, which is the right option, minus x is the correct answer. Next, come to the third question. Once again I taken fourth question, sorry. The domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 by square root of mod x minus x. See, already we discussed in the second problem, under root, that should be positive. But it is here, along with under root, here we have in the denominator. When it is in the denominator should not be 0. If denominator is 0, then the function is not definable. So therefore, I taken here f of x is equal to this one. F is definable when mod x minus x is greater than 0. Observe in the second question, we taken greater than or equal to 0 because there it is in the numerator. Here we are taking strictly greater than 0 because it is in the denominator. Under root is there. So under root positive, denominator should not be equal to 0. That's why taken strictly greater than 0. When you bring x to right side, mod x is greater than equal to x. Now mod x we can write it as plus or minus x. X greater than x is not possible. Definitely minus x. Another one I taken. So when you bring x to right side, 0 greater than 2x, that we can write it as 2x is less than 0. Hence x is less than 0. X less than 0 means the domain is minus infinity comma 0. Hence, which is the right option? The second one is the right option. Now go to the fifth question. So it is also like similar problem to the second one. F of x is equal to, it is there, observe in this problem, mod x whole square minus 5 mod x plus 6. There instead of mod, regular quadratic equation is there. Here with mod is there. So observe the difference between the second problem and this problem. See, I written in factor form. First expression, I written in factor form x minus modulus of x minus 2 into modulus of x minus 3. Whereas second expression also I splitted, factorized. It is 4 minus mod x into 2 plus mod x. So under root, it should be real. See, if it is greater than 3 only, then this becomes real. This function, this under root value will become real only mod x greater than 3, and here this value, because see this one, this is also real, this is also real when 0 less than mod x less than 4. Sir, how can you write like that? Very simple here. Here it is no problem, it is always positive. There is no issue with 2 plus mod x. Only the positive, negative depend on this value only, 4 minus mod x. See, when the value in between 0 to 4, then only this will become positive. Otherwise, this will become negative. So, the under root value will be real only when it is in between 0 less than equal to mod x less than equal to 4. So both functions have to be defined. Both functions have to be defined means we have to take intersection of these two. The intersection of these two is what? 3 comma 4. Intersection values. So greater than 3 and less than 4. So therefore hence the domain is what? 3 comma 4. So in your this one, fourth option is the right option. Now I taken seventh problem. So it is a problem which is applicative little bit. This model questions is very important. Seventh model question is very important in, especially in JEE. Here what is given, a real valued function f of x satisfies the functional equation f of x minus y is equal to f of x into f of y minus f of a minus x f of a plus y, where a is a given constant and f of 0 is 1. Then they are asking the value of f of 2a minus x is equal to. Now come to the problem. Here we need f of 2a minus x. I written this as like this, a minus of x minus a. If you expand, you will get 2a minus x only. Now I used the definition. This definition I am using here. In place of x I kept a. In place of y I kept x minus a. Now f of x, f of y minus f of a minus x and f of a minus a plus y. So observe here, in place of x I taken a, in place of x I taken a, in place of y x minus a I substituted. Now f of 2a minus will become f of a, f of x minus a, f of 0, f of x. Now we have to find, already one value f of 0 is given, only we need to find f of a value. For that one, what I took, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in the given function here. So then what will happen, you will get f of 0 minus 0, f of 0 and f of 0 into f of 0. Here f of 0 into f of 0 whole square, f of a, f of a, f of a, f square a. Now because f of 0 is 1, this is 1 and this is also 1, both get cancelled, these two will get cancelled. Now f square a will become 0, f of a is equal to 0. Now f of 2a minus x, from this, from 1, here, from 1, f of 2a minus x is equal to 0 minus f of x. So therefore the answer is f minus f of x. So which is the right option here? Let us see options here. Minus f of x. So first one is the right option. Next, eighth one. Once again, domain problem. So domain of definition of the function means definition is the function is given. Here also two functions are given. One is 3 minus 4x square. Another one is log 10, log with base 10 x cube minus x. Here already I told about the denominator should not be equal to 0. Under root value should have to be positive. Now we got very special thing, that is log. Under log it must be greater than 0 because logarithm is definable only for positive values. Now observe here, for first one it is in the denominator, it should not be equal to 0. So I taken 4 minus x square is not equal to 0. First function is definable, 4 minus x square is not equal to 0, therefore x is not equal to plus or minus 2. Whereas second function x cube minus x, which is under log, must have to be positive. I taken x common here, x greater than 0. Here once again very important thing, so I kept here and, because we are going to take intersection. This is very important. both functions should have to be definable. Such type of values, x values, we have to choose. So that's why we have to take intersection. Intersection means the x value must have to satisfy first function as well as second function also. So here in the second function, observe here, in the second function, x greater than 0, x square, positive into positive, positive, or negative into negative is negative. So once again I use the same concept. Here x greater than 0 and x square minus 1 is greater than 0. Observe here, when both are positive, then only this is positive. When these two are positive, then only this is positive. So that's why here x greater than 0, this one, and x square minus 1, it is expression. X square coefficient is positive, total expression is positive, opposite sign, therefore 1 to infinity, minus 1 to left side, minus infinity. The intersection, common points here is, these are the common points. What are that one? 1 to infinity. See here, 1 to infinity I kept open because it is strictly greater than 0. In the same way, for another case is also, negative into negative is also positive. Here observe, x is less than 0, x square minus 1 is less than 0. Here x less than 0, I taken this one, x less than 0, and next one here x square coefficient is positive, total expression is negative. Opposite side, when opposite sign, the x value lies within the interval. The common points means intersection of both should be happen, both should be negative, then only the total expression will be positive. So the intersection of these two is minus 1 to 0. So altogether, see, we have the domain of this one is from here, from here, from here you will get minus 1 to 0. See, I taken here minus 1 to 0. Next, here 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity. Why I taken means 1 to 2, I taken split at 2 because 2 is not there. For 2, first function is not definable. When x is equal to 2, the first function is not definable because it is in denominator. Here, if x is equal to 2, this function is not definable. So, I taken break at 2. So, I taken break at 2. Therefore, the final answer of this one is first option, minus 1 to 0, union 1 comma 2, union 2 comma infinity. See, here important thing is only to break out 2 I taken interval like this, or otherwise you can write in another way also by writing total domain. So here I not written, not necessary, that's enough, you remember like this, that's enough. Further, if you have any doubts, you can call to me and you can discuss with me also. Now go to the next problem, 11th one. Here it is the problem of this model is also very important. F of x equal root of 1 plus x square. Now they given which of the following is correct. F of xy is equal to f of x into f of y. F of xy is equal to f of x into f of y greater than equal to less than equal to. Here is equal to greater than less than. See here I taken f of xy, then in place of x I replace x square xy, you will get x square y square. In the same way, f of x root of 1 plus x square, root of 1 plus y square. If you multiply, you will get like this. See, x square y square, x square plus y square value, it is always positive value. So definitely this value is greater than this value. So that's why I used the symbol of greater than, because which is same as the f of xy. Therefore, what is the right answer? f of x, it is greater, this value f of xy is greater than or equal to f of xy. See here mistake is there. You take down f of xy, because f of x into f of y is greater than f of x, means therefore f of x is less than or equal to f of x. Yes, it is correct. Next, once again I taken the problem of domain function in your and now today once again I am going to share hints and solutions of all these problems from that DPP textbook only. But in that problem, this problem was answer was given wrong, 12th one. So there also once again the same concept. It is under root under root means that should be positive. X minus square root of 1 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. I brought this one to right side, x squaring on both sides, and 2x square is greater than or equal to 1, x square is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. I brought 1 by 2 left side and 1 by root 2 whole square. Now here expression is positive, x square coefficient is positive, expression is positive. So the value of x does not lies within the within the interval. So the domain of this one is, what is that one? Minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by 2. But at the same time here under root along with that condition, this condition also must have to satisfy. Here expression is positive, x square coefficient is negative, so therefore the value lies in between minus 1 to 1. So in the previous one in the previous one same sign. Here the quadratic equation and x square coefficient have opposite sign. So the intersection of these two I explained here. Observe here. Here this is the first function domain. This is the implicit function domain. So intersection of these two I explained here. So if you see minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 to 1. So therefore the domain of this function is this one, minus 1 to minus 1 by root 2 union 1 by 2 comma 1. So this model question is a guarantee question in JEE as well as in CET. Now come to the relation. Here very simple problem, 15th problem. A set is given with 5 elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and the relation is given as x plus y is less than 6. See here 1 plus 4 5. We cannot take 2 plus 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3. I not taken 2 comma 4. Why means 2 comma 4 means 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, which is not less than 6. So here you observe all the elements which gives the values sum of two, first one and second one. Both x value, y value. Sum is less than 3 plus 2 here. Observe all the values 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, all values are less than 6. Totally we will get 10 elements in the set. So they are asking number of elements in relation. Number of elements in relation 10. In relation total we got total 10 elements. Therefore answer is 10. Next. Come to the next problem. 17. So in this problem what is given there? F of x is equal to x minus 1 by x, and a be a real value. A is a real value, and the function is given here. If x0 is equal to a, here please observe here, it is a, x0 is equal to a. Next, x1 is equal to f of x0, x2 is equal to f of x1. Then they are asking the value of a and one more is also given here, x suffix 2019 is equal to 1, then the value of a they are asking. See, as per given, x0 is equal to, if x0 is equal to, I told already, once again I am telling, it is x0 is equal to a. So here also I taken what here, x0 is equal to a, x1 is equal to f of x0. So when you, x1 is equal to, according to the definition, if you replace x0, 1 minus x0, a minus 1 by a. x2 is equal to f of x1, x1 by 1 minus x1, I replace x1 with a by 1 minus a, 1 by 1 minus 1, a by 1 minus. If you take LCM, you will get a by 1 minus 2a. So what you have to observe here is, here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. So when you are take x2, here you are getting 2a. So when we have 2019, x suffix 2019, 2009, then there for x2 you got 2. Here 2009, therefore we got 2009 as per that property. Now if you cross multiply, so then 2010, a is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 2010, which is the answer we have to find. So here I think I not written option. So you see the option in the 17th question. 2010 is the answer. Now 16th question. The function f of x is equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus a 1 is. So here the options neither an even or nor an odd function. Option B, an even function. Option C, an odd function, and D, a periodic function. See, I define once again, because what is meant by f of x is a function, f of minus x equal minus f of x, then f is said to be odd function. F of minus x is equal to f of x, then f is a even function. Now for odd function, f of x is equal to sin x, example. For even function, f of x is equal to cos x, example. Because you know sin of minus x is minus sin x, cos of minus x is plus cos x. So f of minus x, when you take sin x, sin of minus x minus sin x, therefore sin x is a odd function. F of minus x, cos of minus x, cos of minus x is equal to cos x, therefore f is a even function. Cos x is a even function. So sin x is example for odd function, and cos x is example for even function. I defined one more function which is you never listened in classes, I hope. That is f of a plus x is equal to f of x. Then the function, then f is a periodic function with period a. Example, you take tan of pi plus x. Because pi plus x comes under third quadrant, it will the function same will come tan x. So therefore tan x is a periodic function with a period pi. Now come to the problem. See, f of minus x, I replace x with minus x. Minus x whole square will become x square. Now if you rationalize that one, you will get rationalized here. Next, after simplification, finally you got after simplification log of 1 by x plus square root of x square plus 1. So observe here the simplification. F of minus x I replaced here after multiplying divide with plus x plus square root of x square. Now x square a plus b into a minus b. Finally you will get that one. It goes to numerator, power minus 1. That power will become product for log minus f of x. So what is happening? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, means therefore it is odd function. Next, The domain of the function f of x is equal to root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Many problems came from domain models. So once again I will repeat. So here under root is there, therefore that must be positive. Because it is in the denominator, it should not be equal to 0. Here the roots of this expression are x square minus 3x plus 2. The roots are 1 comma 2. Therefore here x square coefficient is positive and expression is positive, both having the same sign. So the x value does not lies in the roots. Therefore we taken to x greater than 2, x less than 1. Therefore the domain of this one is minus infinity to 1 union 2 comma infinity. Observe here I taken open bracket. This is very important while writing domain and range. Next, come to the next problem. The function f of x is equal to log of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, or 1 plus x by 1 minus. It doesn't matter. Satisfies the equation. The expressions are given. Here I taken this one, f of x1 plus f of x2, 1 minus x1 by 1 plus x1, 1 minus x1 x2 by 1 plus x2. Log a plus log b, log of log a plus log b, log ab. I have taken product of the two here. After taking product, I separated 1 plus x1 x2 minus x1 plus x2. See, from these two, numerator and denominator, I taken common 1 plus x1 x2, I taken common out. Finally you will get like this, 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Even if you take minus, here if you take plus, you will get plus. If it is minus, it is minus. You just observe here. You see the DPP question paper and then after go to the solution once again. So finally the answer is D. But in your book they given B. It is wrong. So answer is right option is D. Next one. It is very important. Many times asked in JEE also, 26th problem. Actually in old syllabus this problem was very important. This is only one problem I taken from range. So I already explained simply in the theoretical part, the set of all values of x for which the function is definable, that all set of values of x is called is in the domain. For what the set of all values of y, f of x is equal to y. For example, we have f of x is equal to y. Here all x values include in the domain, all y values include in the range. Now here, that's why I taken this as y, because x is real. Now the roots, I taken x value, it is a quadratic equation in x square. So I applied the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 2ab by minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. I applied this formula. Now this is definable, y is not equals to 1 because in the denominator, if it is denominator, x value is not defined. At the same time, under root value is also positive. So I take an under root value positive. If you take expansion of that one, you will get like this. Here y square coefficient is negative, total expression is positive. So already we discussed in many problems, when they have opposite sign, the y value must have to be within the root. Here, so therefore the range of we have to find, range means we have to find the values of y. So the values of y is within 1 by 3 and 3. Therefore the range is 1 by 3 comma 3. So some of the problems I explained. I hope it won't come like a live class, natural class. Some extent we are trying our level best to give the program, crash program. It is a refresh actually. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you do WhatsApp, and tomorrow today I will share all the DPP problem hints and solutions also. In that one also, if If you found any difficulty, you can do WhatsApp. I will explain through WhatsApp. Thank you very much.